Hey guys, Cameron over at 816diesel.com, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. It's not your typical truck you see here with us, but it is cool, and that's why we got it. It's a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500 Megacab with a 5.7 Hemi gas V8 engine. Now, it's a 1500, but they set these trucks up with the 3/4 ton suspension because we lifted this one and put wheels and tires on it. It's 8 by 6.5 lugs, so 8 lug wheels, and we did suspension. So it's a 1500, but they dress them up. They are HD series. So we're looking at this one. It's an 07 20 or 1500 black SLT Megacab, and it's cold too. We got snow on the ground. It's like 30 degrees right now. Pop up in here. Woo, it's cold. Truck fires right up. As you can see, it is cold. 230,357 on the miles. Now, please don't let that scare you. This truck looks, runs, feels, drives like it has 100,000 miles. We dabble in the high mileage stuff, but we check it out. We service it. We go through it thoroughly. So this is one nice truck. Runs and drives excellent. Flowmaster exhaust is the only aftermarket mechanical part. SLT. So it has cruise control up here on the steering wheel, auxiliary for your iPod to hook up right there on the radio. Got it on AM, of course. Got nice heat, cold AC, push button 4-wheel drive. It's got your little cup holders and everything down there. Cubby station, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It is seating for 6. It's got the center jump seat. Pops right up there. And then you also have storage under said jump seat as well. And then it is the Megacab, so you got this giant back seat that reclines and folds down. It's a pretty cool truck all around. But let's hop out and take a look at the seats condition, under the hood, go through the wheels and tires, all the goodies. Power seats, manual reclining. Great condition. They're not tore up. They have stains. These Dodge gray interiors, they show stains. They all do it. It's not terrible. They can be taken out. I'm not a master detailer, but I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood. See what we got going under the bonnet. Like I said, 5.7 Hemi, nothing fancy, runs good. It's bone stock. No issues with it. No check engine lights. Plenty of power. Everything you want to see. So with the truck, it was pretty much stock when we got it. We did a lift kit, wheels, tires, made these headlights for it as well. We've got custom RGB LED headlights. They switch between all the colors and they do all the fun stuff, all the dancing images and strobes and all that cool stuff. Fade them. But they got a little remote control just like this. And they're wired right in, so you can turn them on and off as you like. You don't have to use them. They don't affect light output. They do look cool. So it is a black housing headlight with that exception, with a clear turn signal. And then we also have some smoked fog lights in there as well. The fog lights had some cracks on them, so we upgraded them with the smoked ones. Let's see here. Other than that, on the suspension, we're doing a 3-inch lift kit, and we went with a 20 by 12 Cali Off Road Switchback, which is a -44 offset, 12 wide, and a 35-inch amp all-terrain 35/12/50/20. So we got a big old set of wheels and tires on there, -44 offset. Like I said, clean truck all around. Not a lot bad to show you. I mean, those are the original rockers. I mean, they look flawless. You got a little bit of undersurface rust, but nothing terrible at all. This is a super clean truck as far as frame and everything goes. Clean, clean, clean. The bed does have a little bit of rust under the fender flares. It is tiny. We grinded it out. We put the Permatex rust preventative spray on it. We did smoke out the tail lights and the third brake, as you will see up there. Dual exhaust. It's not stupid loud, but it's got a good rumble. Bumper's not perfect. You can see it backed into something. It's got one on each side in the same spot, so backed into something at some point, just minor. But you guys, you know the drill. These trucks are loaded up. We do them right. They got plenty of attention. They look awesome, so they don't stay around long. So if you're interested in this one, head on over to 816diesel.com. Just so you can see all these Megacab seats come down and make this big flat area. But like I was saying, 816diesel.com. Website's going to have all your information, VIN, pictures, anything you might need. Check it out. My cell phone's on there. Text me. That's the best way to get a hold of me. You're more than welcome to call. My cell phone's 913-735-3748. Call, text anytime. We're located downtown Kansas City at I-35 and Southwest Boulevard, just south of I-70. I appreciate your guys' time. And also, call the shop directly anytime. 816-298-7030. It can be hard to get a reaching us there, but it is a direct line. I appreciate your time. It's cold as heck out here, guys. I'm gonna get in this truck and call it a night, but thanks for watching and stay warm. I wanted you to hear that exhaust too real quick.